What's up, family, friends, and dreamers? It's a day with Scott Jax. Let's go.
Did you brush your tongue? Good. Did you brush your back a bit?
Yes.
Okay. Your burp still stink.
He can't spell. That was kind of disrespectful, bro.
Scott Jax Entertainment.
This is a day with Scott Jax. Let's go. Let's go. Man, I am trying to figure out why my collar is like drunk. I think I didn't iron my shirt good enough because like it just keep drooping. It's weird. I only wore this shirt like one time. It's weird, but I'm still gonna do it. Anyway, I am about to go to main event, Dave & Buster's somewhere, I don't know. Go bowling, probably play some video games, probably cross over a couple of lanes, you know, things unchanged. But anyway, if you're already here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe right now. Just go ahead and bypass all the BS. Let's go. Just want to let y'all know right now, I'm about to whoop her ass. And some bowling, some video games, some whatever that they even just throw out. I'ma do it dirty. She tried to talk crazy to me in the car, talking about like she was a professional bowler or something. I ain't buy that shit. Oh, that hamburger look good. I'm hungry as a motherfucker now. Walking here like, look, we got the Nipsey blue ones. They didn't even know nothing about it. So we gotta go to lane 1. Why you walking like that? Like you really about to do some work. You ain't about to do no work. Look, yeah, okay. Oh, lane 1, they ready. They got my name on it already and everything. I'm lying.
Can I pet Scotty?
Scott Jax.
Scott Jax.
No man. No man. That's not gonna work.
Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I got 7.
See this? Okay. It slipped in my hand. I just did a spare. I just rolled a little spare. A little spare. Somebody got jealous though.
You're going down.
I'm gonna go down with you.
Please don't look so startled.
Oh, okay. I'll talk to that.
I was like, why do I feel like somebody's watching me?
There's no way. I started off on the road, but then she had like 4 spares in a row, then a strike. I'm a little tipsy, I've been drinking. She cheated me, y'all. Cheated. I've never been bowling, and it says overall. She won the first one, I won the second one. Then somehow, some way, she was like, "Oh, it's about to show us the overall score." I was like, "That's not the overall score. It should be tied." Then it comes up. What did it say? You like won 220 to something?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that's not normal.
220 to 208.
Overall.
I'm not saying you're a sore loser, but.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, wow. Anyway. Now, get in the car. Young lady, get in the car. It's getting on my nerves. I swear, I was out there whooping her ass too. For some reason, I don't know what happened.
Scott Jax Entertainment. Y'all wanna fly through the